In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the YouTube app on Windows 11. Now, technically, YouTube doesn't offer a traditional desktop app for Windows, but we can still create something that behaves almost exactly like one. We'll do this by installing YouTube as a progressive web app using your browser. It will have its own window, its own icon, and it won't feel like just another browser tab. Let's start on your Windows 11 desktop. Open your preferred browser. This works best with Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, since both support installing websites as apps. Once your browser is open, go to the YouTube website by typing youtube.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Give the page a moment to load fully. You should see the usual YouTube homepage with recommended videos. Before installing it as an app, make sure everything looks normal and that you're signed into the correct Google account if you plan to use subscriptions, playlists, or your watch history. That way, once the app is installed, it will already be personalized for you. Now, look near the top right corner of your browser window. In Microsoft Edge, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click that, then look for the option that says Apps. Hover over it and choose Install this site as an app. In Google Chrome, you'll also click the three dots, go down to Save and Share, then select Create Shortcut, and make sure Open as Window is checked, or look for Install YouTube if it appears directly. A small window will pop up asking you to confirm. You can rename the app if you like, for example just YouTube, so it's easy to find later. When you're happy with the name, click Install or Create. YouTube will now open in its own separate window, without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This makes it feel much more like a dedicated app. On Windows 11, the app should automatically be added to your Start menu, and often to your Taskbar as well. If you don't see it on the Taskbar, you can pin it there manually. Right-click the YouTube icon while the app is open and choose Pin to Taskbar. You might also want to pin it to Start by right-clicking the app in the Start menu and selecting Pin to Start. This makes it super quick to launch next time. From now on, you can open YouTube just like any other app on your PC, with its own window and icon, making it faster and more convenient to access your favorite videos on Windows 11.